Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable or disable Copilot on your Microsoft Edge browser. So when you open your Edge browser, in the toolbar menu of your Edge browser, you can get the Copilot icon, as you can see guys. So if you want to remove it, so just click on three dots. From here you need to open the settings like this. In these settings guys, from the left panel here you can get the option sidebar. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option Copilot. Just open it, and from here you can easily enable and disable this. Okay, show Copilot. If you want to disable, just turn off this option. Okay, like this. If you want to if you want to show the icon, just you need to enable this option. Okay, so from here you can easily able to enable and disable that. Okay, so that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.